This is FET230 Computer System. So in this video we're going to be looking at compilers. So the question here, which of the following is an appropriate explanation of optimization in a compiler? Is it A, generating intermediate codes for an interpreter instead of generating object codes? Is it B, generating object codes that display the subprogram names called during execution time, or the content of variables at a certain point in time? C, generating object codes that run on a computer with an architecture different from the computer used to compile the programs? Or D, generating object codes that enhance runtime performance through the analysis of program codes? So let's have a look at the answer and a couple of definitions that we should know as to help solve this question. So firstly, a compiler is a set of programs that's application transforms source code written in a programming language into another computer language, usually machine language, with the latter often having a binary form known as object code. The most common reason for converting source code is to create an executable program. Optimization of a compiler implies changing a program so to reduce the execution time and size of the program without changing the function of the program. Therefore, D is our appropriate explanation. For example, deletion of redundant instructions and reorganizing of loops and register assignments are performed. Optimization is mostly performed after semantic analysis within the flow of a series of compilation processes. Here we describe the flow on the previous slide of different types of analysis in which to improve code-by-code optimization. So lexical analysis, then we have syntax analysis, then semantic analysis, which can lead to code optimization, and then finally code generation. Below, what we can do is have a look at some of the different options that we had in our question. A is a description concerning an interpreter. An interpreter executes a program while translating it, and therefore does not generate an object code. B, this is the description concerning a function called snapshot dump that is used for debugging. If the debug mode is set as an option for compilation, most compilers usually generate such object code. And C is a description concerning a cross-compiler. Example of this is Python. And so finally we can see our answer is D. And in this video what we've learnt about is our compiler systems and how we can use different aspects of these to improve optimization and other aspects.